Click on the link below to get price. The OMAX 40X 2500X 18MP USB 3.0 digital EPI Fluorescence Trinocular compound biological lab microscope presents an impressive blend of advanced features and user-friendly design, making it a fantastic addition to any laboratory or educational setting. With a magnification range from 40x to 2500x, this microscope caters to various applications, from observing cellular structures to exploring intricate details in biological specimens. One of the standout features of this microscope is its 18MP USB 3.0 camera, which delivers stunningly clear and detailed images. The speed of the USB 3.0 interface ensures that capturing images and video of specimens is a seamless process, allowing for real-time observation and analysis. The integrated EPI fluorescence capability enhances the microscope's versatility, particularly for researchers working with fluorescent samples. This makes it an invaluable tool for biologists and educators who need to explore the intricacies of living organisms. The trinocular design is another advantage, as it allows for comfortable viewing through both the eyepiece and the camera simultaneously. This feature is particularly useful during collaborative sessions or teaching environments, where multiple users can observe the same specimen without the need to crowd around a single eyepiece. The build quality is robust, and the adjustable mechanical stage ensures smooth movement for precise focusing and specimen positioning. The illumination options are thoughtfully designed, with LED illumination providing bright and even lighting for various preparations. Users can easily adjust the light intensity, ensuring the best results regardless of the sample type. However, while the setup process is generally straightforward, some users may find the initial calibration slightly challenging. A comprehensive manual is included, and with a bit of patience, it becomes easier to master. Overall, the OMAX 40X 2500X microscope excels in both performance and functionality, making it an excellent choice for professionals and students alike. Its combination of high-quality optics, digital capabilities, and user-friendly features makes it a worthwhile investment for anyone serious about microscopy.